Hi everyone, today we have this platform VisualCV and this is the best job ready resume builder. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform VisualCV. Now, most of you guys might be looking for different type of jobs application and you want to apply for them. Once you are ready to apply, you do not have a proper CV, or let's just say you do not have time to build it. Well, no worries, because the platform VisualCV is here to save the day. You can select and get launched directly with selecting through all of these templates. So let's just say this one looks good to me. I'm going to be using existing resume, use example content. Let's just click on that, and now you can see resumes examples. Now we can choose through them as well. So let's just choose another one. Let's say this looks maybe good. We can select it and then click on select. Now you can add or incorporate your own image in here. You can see the information that I provided it is already added in here, and you can customize your name. Like for example, if you wanted to say something else, you can do that as well. And below you will be able to see subheadings, your other information, location, phone number, email, and all that stuff is completely modifiable. You can add your categories, entries, and you can directly share it as a link. You can download it, and you have other services if you want to use them as well. They offer that. You can see on the left side resume examples, resume imports, templates to get started with, and settings to customize your account. You have your website, so if you want to create that, click on create new and use example content. Now we will be choosing something from here. Click on select. Eventually it will be generating our website. So you can see our portfolio website is ready to go, and that's how simple it is to get started with. And yeah, make sure to give it a try. Now, talking about its reviews, it also is available on your application on your cell phone. So pretty much good stars. You can head over to the link in the description to access VisualCV. Using the link you will get extended free trial as well as bonuses, so do not miss out on that, and see you guys in the next video.